Welcome to my channel as I discuss the topic, probably the easiest forex trading strategy for beginners. Ride the trend. It's as simple as that. But while I said it's as simple as that, I want you to pay attention to this video because you are going to receive the greatest warning of forex no one has ever told you. Yes, I will warn you. Out of many years of experience, you will receive warning from me. And what is that warning? Watch as I unveil it. And I'm going to tell you the truth. Untold truth. Nobody speaks about forex. You may be wondering, why am I speaking so authoritatively? I have been in the industry for more than 15 years. Yes. I have seen it all. I have lost my family money in forex. I have shed tears. I developed health issues because of the volume of money I lost. But the interesting thing was that when I bent down, when I calmed down, I am making those money over and over and over and over until the last day I will trade forex. So if you're a beginner and you are listening to me, you're welcome. I want to suggest that you subscribe to my channel. Share whatever you learn from me. If there is any area you are finding difficult or you need improvement, put it in the comment section below. Click the notification button so that other videos like this will come your way. You're welcome. I want you to understand that the last thing you do as a beginner is to click the buy, this button, the buy or sell button. This is the last thing you will do as a trader. In other words, you don't quickly learn to click sell and buy. Once you quickly think the market is all about buying and sell, you will quickly run out of it. So, as a new trader, you will come to this chart, but it is only when you have mastered all that is needed or that is surrounding this chart before you say, let me come and trade. So, before you click the button, as I said, what are the untold truths about forex? One, as a new beginner, I don't know how you come to forex, but you must have heard that nobody controls the market. Now, why they are telling you nobody controls the market is because you now will be coming with the mind that you are in control. You are never in control. We have the money bags. We have the financial strength. We have the financial muscles around that control the market. We have the CBN. We have the liquidity providers. These people control the market. So don't come with the mind that you are in control. Come with the mind that let me do business out of this market and make money. Because if you make mistake, those people in charge will make money off you. They will tell you the market has made money off you. Where is the money? The money has gone to some people. So bear it in mind that you are coming into the business with the big boys of the world. So it needs proper planning, proper understanding of the market. You might have seen adverts. The second untold truth is that stop loss is your friend. Come to the market. There is a feature that will help you protect the money. That feature doesn't protect your money. It is called stop further loss. Now let me shock you. We, the successful traders, the few successful forex traders don't use that feature. Rather, we plan our entry such that the drawdown or our money will be in the negative for a short period before it goes to the positive direction. So there is nothing like there is a system that will protect their money, no system that protects your money. It is called further loss, and you keep doing that way, you keep losing. So the third one is leverage. As a beginner, you will be promised invest $1 and get $1,000. Don't Leverage is not for you as a beginner. So if your broker makes it compulsory that you must use a leverage, don't use more than 1:1 or 1:10. Know that you are trading with your money, your real money. Leverage is perfect for professionals. When you are sure of the market, which I know you will be from now till depending on your dedication, then you can use those things for you. But for now, if you are a total beginner, those things are not for you. They are trap. So you should learn how to use them from the onset. Having said so, what is your mindset to the market? Are you just coming to make money? Or are you coming to make a living? Understand this. Are you just coming to make money, or you are coming to make a living from the market? If you come to make a living from the market, that means you have to put in the work, put in the patience that is required, the consistency in learning. Don't see the market as ocean of money where you just come and pack and go. No, you will be trapped. So you should have a mindset that I'm ready to go into business now, and let's see as it goes. That is the mindset you come into it. Now the strategy starts. The first thing you have to understand are the major pairs, the major currency pairs: USD, JPY, JPY. Now, these pairs, and few of them, are the pairs that provide much liquidity in the market. So as a beginner, we have so many pairs. Please, these three is enough for you. In fact, you need only one out of them to become rich as a forex trader. You need only one out of these pairs to make your life wonderful. Yes. So don't be overwhelmed with the currency pairs, jumping from one to another. If you can trade one, you can trade all. If you can't trade one, you can't trade anyone. So no need of jumping from one pair to another. Rather, you should master one or two. Yes, that's what I call specialization. I am a master of Euro USD, and that is a pair I'm comfortable of trading anytime, any day. Let's put it this way: you want to, what's the major market? What's the major trade setup in your area? And you go into the market. You want to sell commodity A, commodity B, commodity C. You sell as many as it is. You can't keep track record. You can't keep inventory. But what if you just pick one and take the share of the market of that one? You will always be okay with the market situation. So specialize in one or two. One, as a beginner, I say specialize on one. Once you understand the pair or how to trade one pair, then you can stretch yourself. Now, the second thing you have to put in that strategy is trend. You have to understand the trend of the market. Trend is the overall movement of the market over a long period. Some trend lasts for 1 year, not even 1 year, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, 15 years. Let me give you an instance. And if you want to identify the trend, use the major time frame, let's say weekly, monthly. It will give you the major time frame of the currency pair. Let's look at this. I told you my master is, or I master Euro USD. So if I want to know the trend, I will just come to the monthly, weekly chart. This is a monthly chart, and I will narrow it. Can you see that this trend, this pair has been trading downward? Good, sorry. It has been trading downward for a very long time. When I mean a very long time, it's for more than, look at where we pick it. Check the dates. It's 2008. From 2008 to 2004. This pair has been trading down. If this is gold, that's one of the pairs I trade. Wow, it's happening here. Now, look at, let's go to the this time frame, then and narrow it and see. You can see gold has been trading up for a very long time now. From here, let's say good. Yes, it has been trading up. You can see for a very long time. Now let's see the date range. Start from 2016, from 2016, gold has been in up movement. So you must identify trend. Then once you identify trend, so your target is to trade alongside the trend as a beginner. With, you see, I can manually understand the trend by doing so. But in case you can't do this, which I know is very simple, you can use tools like MACD to, once you apply MACD in your chart, it will tell you the overall trend over time. We have support and resistance. You should master what the key support and resistance in the market. These are the support and resistance. Let's put it like this. Okay. These are areas that the prices reach and hover over it for some time. Prices hardly cross those areas. Like here, as you can see, within this range, these are support area until the price broke the support. Sorry, the resistance. The support is when we are talking of downward. Let me delete this. The support is when we are talking of the downward. This is a support, or this is a support. So these are areas that prices come and hover for some time, either break it or continue. So as a beginner, this strategy, understanding the trend, understanding the major support and resistance, I said don't trade yet. Master these things very well. Then you are in the process of making a good trading decisions with time. Learn, learn money management. Your goal as a trader, you have two goals as a trader and as a beginner: to protect your money and to make money out of the market. And the only way you protect your money is via money management or risk management. It's the soul of every trader. If you can't manage your money, the market will take it immediately. The market will pull away the money from you. So learn to protect your money. In fact, watch other videos on risk management. That is when you will be sure that, oh, no matter what happens, my money is safe. Start small. Start small. No matter the wealth you have, start small. No matter the money you have, start small. Remember, I told you there is a warning, and the warning is still coming. I have not forgotten about it. That warning is very, very essential to your success as a forex trader. If you are enjoying this video, can you subscribe, share, click the notification button, comment, so that we'll progress from here. Please subscribe to my channel so that we'll grow together. Then After learning all these things, warning, warning, if you are a beginner, I'm just telling you this. Don't make forex trading your primary source of income. Do you understand what I'm saying? Let me say it again. Don't make it your primary source of income. Yes, forex needs have the better understanding. Then, when you put in your money there, you allow it to mature. That is where most beginners get it from. You don't have any other means of getting money and you want to come and make money from the big boys. It's not simple. It's not easy that way. So have other source of income. Learn and learn. Practice more. Then above all, learn what we call technical analysis. I can't end this video without telling you learn technical analysis. There are languages the chart speaks. At the end of this video, I will put in, you will see a video where I discuss the uptrend analysis and the downtrend analysis, the technical analysis, the languages. If you understand those languages, you have a perfect, easy trading pattern for you as a beginner. The conclusion of this video is Forex is a business. You must have a plan. You must have a time frame. You must have a strategy. You must have your team. You must have a mentor. You must have someone who models you. You must be prepared to go into it. So once you do this, it is time to go to this chart and study all the languages. Mainly looking at this chart, I can tell you what the market is or will possibly do. That is exactly how you trade your market. That is how the market moves. As a beginner, these are the things you have to know. That is easiest strategy before you come to click the buy and sell button. Hope you enjoyed this video. If there's anything you want, click on the notification button. If you have been waiting for me to give you a strategy, let me tell you, no other person's strategy will work for you. Rather, your understanding of the markets will you will build your plan or your strategy yourself via your personal understanding of the market. And once you do it that way, it will definitely work for you. My strategy now will not work for you because a lot of factors I fix in that strategy. That's why it's working for me. And those factors may not be the factors you are looking at. So I hope you enjoy my video. Subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to comment as we meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.